Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on About Phone. Here we have to focus on this MIUI version, and right now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So keep tapping, and we've got the information that we've got the developer mode on. So we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to scroll and find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize, so as you can see a lot of them. So for example, we can enable the strict mode. Here we can show view updates, we can change the transition animation scale. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, and so on and so on. So if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the animator duration scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive, and after getting back, the developer options should disappear. So let's get back to the general settings and check. And as you can see, after entering the additional settings again, the developer options simply disappeared. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Xiaomi 11T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.